सो हे लर्नर्स, वेलकम टू नेक्स्ट लर्नर्स। आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। सो बेसिकली इस सीरीज में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं सीबीएसई बेस्ड सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर फॉर मैथ 2025 टू 2026 स्टूडेंट। आई हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड 2 वीडियोस जिसमें हमने डिस्कस किए हैं all multiple choice questions, so you can check out those videos from my description box. I keep the link in description box, so you can check out from there. This is basically the section B, and section B's first part is divided into 2 parts, A and B. You need to do one part. So इसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे दोनों पार्ट्स को. तो फर्स्ट part is given as 21A. The AP 8, 10, 12 has 60 terms. Find the sum of last 10 terms. हमको एक AP दी हुई है जिसके एलिमेंट्स है 8, 10 and 12. So if I'll calculate the first term, so first term will be as A is equal to 8, and if I calculate the 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, or 12 minus 10, that is also equal to 2. So hence my difference will be basically 2. Now what I need to do, I need to find the sum of last 10 terms. मुझे इस सीरीज की last 10 terms का sum निकालना है. So I will use a formula of sum here. We know the sum formula says Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now what I need to do, I need to calculate the sum of last 10 term. So अगर मैं sum of last 60 terms means sum of 60 term, इसमें टोटल 60 terms दी हुई है. So अगर मैं 60 terms का सम निकाल के उसमें से 50 terms के सम को माइनस कर दूंगा तो मेरा आंसर मेरे को मिल जाएगा. तो what I need to do in this, basically I need to use this sum of 60 terms minus sum of 50 terms. So मेरे को लास्ट 10 टर्म्स का सम मिल जाएगा इनका डिफरेंस. सो यूज दिस फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस इक्वेशन. सो द इक्वेशन विल बी as for as 60, here n is equal to 60, and for this n is equal to 50. First term and the D will be same for both. So I'll use the formula n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is basically for 60 terms, and minus again n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is for sum of 50 terms. So यहाँ पर n is equal to 60 है. So put the value of n as 60 upon 2 into 2 multiply a. A is given as 8 plus n, that is 60 minus 1, or D is given as 2 minus 50. यहाँ पर n दिया हुआ है 50. So 50 upon 2 to multiply a. A is given as 8 plus यहाँ पर होगा 50 minus 1, or D given as 2. Now if I solve this, so I'll get my value as 30 into 134 minus यहाँ पे मेरे को मिलेगा 25 into 114. And if I solve this, so I'll get my value as 4020 after multiplying these two, and after multiplying these two, 25 multiply 114, so I'll get 2850. And if I subtract these two, so I'll get my answer as 1170. 1170 is my answer. So the sum of last term will be 1100. फाइंड द मिडल टर्म ऑफ AP 6, 13, 20, और जिसकी लास्ट टर्म हमको दी हुई है 230. हमको बेसिकली इस सीरीज की जो है मिडल टर्म्स फाइंड करनी है. सीरीज इज गिवन एज 16, 6, 13 एंड 20. यहाँ पर फर्स्ट टर्म में अगर मैं देखूँ A इज इक्वल टू 6, और अगर मैं D डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट करूँ, so 13 minus 6 7, 23 minus 13, that is also 7. So my D will be 7 only. Now if I calculate the last term formula, so what is the last term formula? Sometimes we denote last term as L, and sometimes we denote A of n only, so that will be A plus n minus 1 into D, और last term is given as an is equal to 230. कभी कभी हम इसको L से भी डिनोट करते हैं. So 230 is equal to A I'm putting the value of in this formula n is given, I need to calculate the n number of terms और d मेरे को दिया हुआ है 7. सो यहाँ से अगर मैं n की वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करूंगा सो मेरे को n की वैल्यू आएगी प्लस 7n माइनस 7 और n विल बी 33. मीन्स इस सीरीज में 33 टर्म्स है और मेरे को क्या फाइंड करना है, मिडल टर्म्स of this series. So middle term will be n plus 1 upon 2. It is the position of middle term. And if I solve this, so if I put the value of n 33 in this formula, so 33 plus 1 upon 2. So I'll get my value of middle term as 17. Now I need to find the 17th term of the series. So again use this same formula to find the 17th term. So if I use this formula to find the 17th term, so I'll use here as a17 is equal to a plus 17 minus 1 into d. Now put all the values. So a is given as 6 plus 17 minus 1 given 16 multiplied d is given as 7. And if I calculate this, so I'll find my 817 value as 118. So 118 is the, if sin a plus b is equal to 1 and cos a minus b is equal to under root 3 upon 2 and theta is basically a is greater than 0 and b or less than 90 and b is also greater than 0 or less than 90. Find the measure of angle a and b. हमको दो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन दी हुई है. एक इक्वेशन है sin, let me change the color of my pen, sin a plus b is equal to 1 और एक इक्वेशन मेरे को दी हुई है cos a minus b is equal to under root 3 upon 2. So as we know 1 is the value of sin 90. So I can write this as 1 की जगह हम लिख सकते हैं sin 90 डिग्री बिकॉज sin 90 की वैल्यू होती है 1. सो यहाँ से sin to sin कैंसिल and a plus b will be equal to 90 degree. This is equation 1 and from this I can write it as cos a minus b is equal to, this is the value of cos 30. ये cos 30 की वैल्यू है and root 3 upon 2. So cos and cos will be cancelled, a minus b is equal to 30. Now I have two linear equation और मेरे को इनको solve करके a और b की वैल्यू को find करना है. Now so add these two equations. If I add these two equation, so I'll get my answer as a plus b is equal to 90 and a minus b is equal to 30. And if I add both these equations, so b to b cancel and this is 2a is equal to 120 and hence a will be here 60 degree. Now if I want to calculate the value of b, so my b value will be, put these a value either in this equation or in this equation. So I'm putting the value of a in equation 1. So in equation 1 after putting the value of a, I'll get my equation as 60 plus b is equal to 90 degree. And if I solve this for b, so b will be 90 minus 60, so b will be equal to 30 degree. Hence a will be equal to 60 degree and b basically is equal to 30 degree. This is my answer. Now you can make sure stay tuned with Lexia learners. I'll see you in the next video. Till then you can practice this and you can learn this. Thank you so much.
Learning made easy, one class at a time. If this helped you today, stay connected. More smart learning is just a click away. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Next Gen Learners. See you in the next one. Bye.